Hello guys, today I'm going to show you what I did with the beans. The video is going to be pretty short, but still progress is progress, so let's not waste any time. Yeah, that sound and balance are pretty good. So what I did is I've pulled off every single material in the game. There's exactly 9 or 10 materials for the bean and their variations. And as you can see, the bean is here with a material and a sound effect every time it bounces. I have also made an Alhambra chest, which I'm running towards right now. Spill out beans when I cast Alhambra on it. The beans have a modifiable spawn point, so the spawn point is a little bit above the chest, and they have the launch angles and the launch velocity, so I can properly manipulate the speeds and the angles from which the beans are going to be spawned. Let's show you how that looks in action, and I just want you to keep in mind that all of these patterns right here that you see are going to be spawned from this chest. Also, each chest has a bean count that it's going to spawn. There's a bean spawn frequency, and the beautiful thing about this is if the bean frequency is 0, while a little bit buggy, I'm going to show you that later, is going to spawn all the beans at once, which actually mimics the Harry Potter first game. The second parameters, which are the launch speed, actually determines the velocity of a bean when it's launched from the chest, and then the upwards degrees actually measures which degrees is how many degrees upwards is going to be launched, and then the spread is just the random jitters. Now I've put it at 8, but I'm not really sure what they are. The inherit chest rotation and use velocity change. Well, that's just uh, to keep the beans in the same position as the chest, which you will see right now, because I've had a bug where the beans would launch from the back of the chest and the sides of the chest. I'm not going to show that out because it's completely stupid, but here you go. This is the bean spawning with the bean spawn frequency of 0.3 seconds. That is pretty good for a custom made project, and I think it reflects pretty well how it worked in the third Harry Potter game, which is what I really like. Now let's go and see how the bean spawning works when the bean spawn frequency is 0. Uh, I'm just gonna tell you, I have not tested this. I'm recording this, so what we see right now is me seeing this for the first time as well. So now I'm just going to increase the bean count to at least 15, so we can a little bit exaggerate how this is going to look like. And I'm going to increase the angles. I've deadlocked it to 60 because I don't want to input anything stupid, but let's go with 50 degrees and increase the spread to 12. Also, let's put the launch speed to 15, and I suppose I'm going to have something really crazy right now. Yeah. Okay, that was actually funny. I should do it one more time, but off the camera. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Short and sweet video. The beans are spawning.